Hi, welcome to the second video on Value Stream Mapping tutorial. In this video, I will teach you the first element to draw in your value stream map, the customer demand. The first thing to remember is that we are here for the customer. We are not in the company for the department goal. We are here to meet the customer's demand and give them value. Are we on the same page? It is time to decide which customer you want to start mapping. If you remember the previous video, I suggested starting with the customer and the SKUs that pays the bill. To select the SKUs, you have to carry out a Pareto chart and group the SKUs in a product family. In the notes of the video, you can find bonus material on Pareto chart and product family. Now let us imagine you have selected the SKU 5678 that generate $150,000 a year of income. These are the steps you have to follow. 1. Take one A3 sheet and one marker. 2. Draw a symbol of a factory. 3. Write the name of the customer. 4. Write the SKUs you selected. 5. Write the demand, daily, weekly, monthly, depending on the business. Once you have done it, stick this sheet on a wall of your office. Remember, do not use the PC at the beginning. Now I will give you a pro tip. The Customer Demand Survey. Once you have the customer request in front of you, call 3 colleagues that should know the customer demand and ask them to write you an email with the last update. I bet you will be surprised by the answers. Could be the numbers will be very different. But are we here for the customer? So, if after this survey you discover that everybody knows a different number on the customer request, you have your first Kaizen event to carry out. Kaizen event. Assess the customer request on SKU 5678. Okay, after this video, you should have A. Understood that the customer is king. B. An A3 sheet with the customer demand written. C. One survey about the customer demand performed and eventually a Kaizen event planned. Do not underestimate the misalignment of the customer demand. How can you serve the customer if 4 people know different numbers? In the next video, I will speak about the second element of the value stream map, the process box.